Lesson 8, Connect Fractions to Division. So, you don't really realize this, but fractions are just division problems. That's all they are. So, let's look over here. If you see 1 divided by 1 over 2, well, we normally think of that as 1 half, but it's the exact same thing as 1 divided by 2. Your numerator is your divisor, and your um, denominator is your dividend. So looking over here at 12 over 4, again, your numerator is your divisor, that's 12, and your dividend is your denominator, 4. So 12 over 4 is the same thing as 12 divided by 4. Now, when it comes to remainders, there's two different ways you can do it. After you do your long division, for example, 9 divided by 4, well, the answer would be 2 with the remainder of 1, so you can write it 2r1. Or a better way of writing that is writing it as a fraction. So instead of saying 2 remainder 1, 9 divided by 4 or 9 over 4 is the same as 2 and 1/4. And when you start getting into fraction problems, it's better to write your remainder as a fraction than as a just letter and number. So looking at an example problem here, the question reads, a package of ground beef that weighs 5 pounds will be separated, there's a key word, separated into 8 equal smaller packages. Well, the words separated and equal are telling us it's a division problem. What is the weight of each smaller package? Well, I've got 5 pounds of ground beef, dividing it into 8 smaller packages. Now, again, this is a division problem. How else can I write this? Well, it's also just can be written as a fraction. 5 divided by 8 is the same thing as saying 5 over 8. Again, division and fractions are just the same. Sorry, I should say fractions are just division problems. Looking at the problem over here, it says which is equivalent to 4 over 5. Now, again, fractions are just division problems. So 4 over 5, your numerator 4 is your divisor. So that's 4. And your denominator 5 is your dividend. So 4 divided by 4. 5, sorry. So 4 over 5 is the same as 4 divided by 5. One last example, if we look here, three people, three people share a tomato pie that is cut into 8 equal slices. So again, there's that cut and equal is telling us it's a division problem. So I have 3 people that are sharing a tomato pie that is cut into 8 equal slices. So that's 3 divided by 8. Again, another way of writing this is as the fraction 3 over 8.